Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for property management MERN web application. So first open the MongoDB, then click on the connect. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the SRC folder. Then you can see the backend folder and the client folder. Backend folder have here modules and routers.
Yeah, you can just in the browser. I will update. Yeah.
Then go to the client folder, then click on the SRC, then go to the components. It's have a React.js components files. Next go to the readme text. Here you can see the how to open the web application in step-by-step procedure, and then you can see the login details. Then start the backend and the client server. So open the new terminal. First copy the CD backend and paste to the terminal. Next install the new node modules. So copy the npm install and paste to the terminal. I have already installed, so I go to the next step. Copy the npm start, then paste to the terminal. Now backend server is connected. Then open the client terminal. Copy the CD client and paste to the terminal. Then install the node modules. Next copy the npm runtime. Now client server also connected. So copy the URL link. Paste to the browser. Now you can see the property management web application. It's have three roles: user, admin and property. First go to the property role. We have to sign up. Go to the register now. Here you can register your details and sign up. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Then log in into the home page. Now login successfully. Now you can see the property homepage. It's have 5 modules. Property owner will be manage the various modules. First create the properties, then update and see the inquiries. First go to the create property. Here you will be add the property informations on this page. So enter the name and give the price and type. Then fill the square feet, then give the property details, then give the address. After you submit the property details, go to the update property. Here you can see your post property informations, and then you will search to see the properties. Then you can see the property name, price and type. Then you can see the square feet, and then you will see the property details on this page. Then you can see the property status. Admin will be give the approval on this properties. First go to the edit image. Here you can edit your property image and upload the images. So go to the choose files, then select the file and update the property image. Then go to the edit. Here you will be update the property informations on this page. Then if you want to delete the property info, click on the delete and then click on the geo map. Now you can update the locations on this page, and then you will check to show map. Click on the show map. Here you will be see the updated location. Next go to the property inquiry. Here you can see the user inquiries. informations on this page. So you will see the user details and then you will update the status. Click on the update status and then select the status, then submit. Next, go to the show map. Here you can see the location. Then go to the view feedback. Here you can see the user feedback on this page. And then my profile is used to update your personal info. Next we will move for the admin role. Enter the email ID and password. Then login into the admin homepage. Now login successfully. Admin will be have the two role modules. First go to the property approval. Here you can see the all property informations on this page and then you will verify to give the approval on this page. Click on the update status and then give the approval. Next go to the show map. Here you can see the property location. Next go to the user details. Here you can see the user informations on this page. Next we will move for the user role. Go to the user and then if you have to sign up, go to the register now. Here you will be give your name and details, then register. Enter your name, then give your email ID, then give your password, enter your mobile number and city. Then click on this sign up. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Now click on the sign up. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Then log in into the user home page. Now log in successfully. Now you can see the user home page. User will be find and inquiry the properties. First go to the find properties. Here you can see the all properties informations and then you will search to see the properties. Then you can see the property informations. Then you will give the request. Click on the request button. Then you will enter the request and give your mobile. Now submit. Now register successfully. Next you can see your my inquiry details on this page. Here you will be search to see the inquiries. And then you can see the properties status on this page. Status will be pending and then you will click on the geo map. You can update your location. Next go to the show map. Here you will be check the updated location. Next go to the show map. Here you can see the property location. Next go to the feedback. Here you will be share our feedback on this page. So enter your name, then give your feedback. Then click on the submit. Now submit successfully. Next go to the my profile. My profile is edit your information. That's the whole property management MERN web application.
Code shopping.